Hi there and welcome back to my channel. I'm Shreyashi. So in today's video I'm doing an Amazon haul. इस haul में I have mixture of things from tops to pants to footwear. So it's a mixed hybrid haul. So if you're looking to refresh your wardrobe this monsoon or after monsoon, then I'm sure this video will be very helpful for you. And I have some very pretty tops which I cannot wait to show you. So let's get right into the video. सबसे पहला टॉप जो है वो है ये. दिखने में तो ये सिंपल वाइट टॉप है पर द फैब्रिक इज सच दैट इट लुक्स सो गुड व्हेन यू वेयर इट. लाइक आई लव इट. इसके पहले एक हॉल मैंने किया था जिसमें कि मैंने इसका सेम एग्जैक्टली सेम ब्लैक कलर में लिया था एंड दिस टाइम व्हेन आई वाज बाइंग इट आई डिडंट नो कि ये सेम है. वो तो जब आया एंड व्हेन आई वाज ट्राइंग तब मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि ओह इट्स एग्जैक्टली सेम. आई लाइक्ड इट विदाउट रियलाइजिंग दैट इट्स सेम बिकॉज इट वाज लुकिंग सो नाइस. सो द पॉइंट इज दैट इट्स अ नाइस टॉप. Talking about the top, it's from the brand Harpa and size है इसका medium. इसका fabric ना ऐसा थोड़ा elastic type का है and it's a semi high neck and it's a body hugging top but it makes your body look really nice. It fits properly, it fits nicely and that's something that I like about this top. It has thoda sa lamba sleeves, like it's not proper half sleeve, it's a little long which makes it look very classy. And black and white and these kind of basic colors जो solid colors होते हैं without any mixing of colors, एक simple color के जो tops होते हैं वो बहुत classy लगते हैं. So if you want to stock up for your college or office then you should have some solid colors in your wardrobe. So अभी तक अगर आपके पास नहीं है then you can take this recommendation and buy this top and you will not regret it. So on that note, let's move on to the next one. अगला टॉप जो है वो मेरे एक्सपेक्टेशन से बहुत ज़्यादा बेटर आया है. So let me show it to you. This is how it is. So this is from the brand Uptowny and size है इसका medium. So इसमें ना basically knot style का design है and it's a crop top and it also has chain on the side. But although when I was wearing it, I didn't need the chain. Like मैंने ऐसे ही पहन लिया था टॉप जैसे. But you have an option. So again, it elevates your body in such a nice way. Like I loved it. Like मुझे ये combination ही बहुत पसंद है. Like fitted crop top with a loose, loose pant or cargo pants or something loose fitted at the bottom and ऊपर थोड़ा body hugging. And I think it elevates my body also in the right way. So that's why I think I love this. Like when I wore it, I thought that this is very nice. And black color में है, so color में कोई doubt नहीं है. And absolutely there's nothing wrong with any aspect of this top and I loved it. बाकी you can see it on the video how it was looking on me. इसका neck कुछ लोगों के लिए थोड़ा ज़्यादा deep हो सकता है but for me I felt that it's manageable and I can do with it. And obviously ये थोड़ा party style top है तो party में तो आप पहन नहीं सकते हो ऐसा. It's like that. So yeah, that's about this one. Moving on to the next thing that I have for you. It is these chappals. So I was waiting to do this haul so that I can wear these chappals at home. See, few things about me. I'm a very basic person, okay? And I like basic things. So when it comes to chappals, I have tried those slip-ons. I have worn those slip-ons. But उसमें वो बात नहीं है. Like I like my thong slippers. I like these kind of slippers. जब घर में पहनने की बात आती है ना मुझे ये ज़्यादा पसंद आता है. मैंने सोचा मैं इसमें ही थोड़ा इन्वेस्ट करूँगी and I'll buy nice chappals. And monsoon का time भी है and I also wanted to make this a monsoon haul. So monsoon का ये aspect मैंने cover किया है इसमें कि chappals. And I looked up a good brand and this is from Soul Threads. I read good reviews about it, so I thought let's give it a shot and it has not disappointed me. Like it's so comfortable. Like it's very comfortable and that's why I was just waiting for this haul so that I can start wearing it. And yeah, I'm going to start wearing it right away. I have bought it in the size 6 and इसका sole बहुत ही soft है, बहुत ही comfortable. Like it's not too soft, it's not too hard. पीछे भी पूरा Soul Threads की branding है and it's a nice chappal. Like if you're looking to buy some chappals then you can go ahead and buy this one. Moving on to the next thing. So this is a parachute pant and I have been seeing parachute pants for a very long time on the internet and I was curious to see how does it look on me. So I've finally invested in a parachute pant and there you go. So this is from the brand Bewakoof and size मैंने लिया है medium. So parachute pant is nothing but an oversized kind of pajama, and niche mein you have an option to keep it open or tie it. But what I realized is that if I don't block it like this, तो ये मेरे सोल के बाहर निकल रहा था. So I have to fit it like this so that it fits me. And waist में भी ना, it's a little loose, so I might exchange it with a small size. But I'm not sure कि ये loose जो है वो oversize की वजह से है या it's loose for me. So I'm a little confused. So we'll see what we have to do. But apart from that, I really liked it. Color तो मैंने choose करके लिया था, so it's a very nice color. You can pair it with multiple kinds of tops, multiple colored tops. Black के साथ pair कर सकते हो, white के साथ pair कर सकते हो, and बहुत सारे colors के साथ pair हो जाएगा ये. बाकी simple है. It has zip closure, and then it has button, and it has this thing. It has pocket. It's a very comfortable pajama kind of thing. If you're planning to go for a trek or something, then you can wear something like this and नीचे shoes पहन सकते हो. बहुत ज़्यादा cool लगने वाला है. मैंने तो इसके साथ अभी घर में तो शूज़ नहीं पहना था, बट व्हेन यू पेयर दीज विद शूज़ इट लुक्स रियली रियली कूल. एंड अमेजोन के पेज पे भी इनने शूज़ के साथ ही पेयर करके दिखाया था, विच वॉज लुकिंग वेरी नाइस, एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई एंडेड अप बाइंग इट. सो या, दैट वाज अबाउट दैट. Moving on to the last product of this haul, and that is the one that I'm wearing right now. Another favorite piece in this haul. Really like this top. I think this is from Bewakoof again. Size है इसका medium, and it is a cropped shirt. This is the first time I'm trying something like this and it looked really cool. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था, and मुझे लग रहा था कि इतना अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, पर again when I tried it and it's looking very very nice. I loved it. Fabric इसका थोड़ा denim type का है, which I am liking. It's very nice actually. I don't have something like this in this color. So yeah, that was about the top number last. So that was about the last thing that I want to show you in this haul. I hope you liked it. If you want to buy any of these, then you can check out the description section. सारे links मैं description में डाल दूंगी, so वहाँ से जाके आप खरीद सकते हो. So on that note, I will end this one here, and I'll see you again very very soon in my next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.